It's story time with me, Rajpreet. Our today's story is disagreement among occupations. Oh my god, this is a very hot topic. Let's see. In a village, there was a disagreement among people of different occupations. Everyone thought their work was the most important. Here down below, meanings of the difficult words are written for help. The teacher said that he had the most important occupation. Without teachers, you could not go to school and learn, said the teacher. The builder said that he had the most important occupation. Without builders, you would not have schools to learn in and house to sleep in, said the builder. The carpenter said that he had the most important occupation. Without carpenters, you would have no furniture for your house and for schools, said the carpenter. The doctor claimed, he said he had the most important occupation. Without doctors and nurse, you could get sick and die. Sad, isn't it? The farmer said that she had the most important occupation. Without farmers, you would not have food to eat. Oh. The students argued that students had the most important work. Without students, there would be no teachers, builders, doctors, farmers, or carpenters also. It is rightly said, we all are free to disagree. Just do it respectfully. Eventually, everyone agreed that all the occupations are important. We need teachers, builders, doctors, farmers, and carpenters too. But everyone has to be a student first. So, what we learned? We learned that always study hard. This book was published by Pratham Books. If you like my video, do like, share and subscribe. You can also follow me on Instagram. Thank you for watching. Till then, keep shining.